So I'm here at beautiful Sheraton Vistana Villages in Orlando, Florida. I'm about to head inside and take a look at a 2-bedroom villa, newly renovated here in the Amelia phase. Let's head on in and check it out right after this. Hello and welcome to Destination Timeshare. I'm Jeremy, and before we head inside the 2-bedroom villa here at Sheraton Vistana Villages, Amelia phase, brand new renovated villa actually, in fact, I want to let you know on this channel, I like to provide my knowledge, tips and advice to help you get the most from your timeshare ownership. So if that sounds like what you want to see, be sure to hit subscribe down below. Also, hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on a single video. So this was Villa 206 in Building 29 over in Amelia. And as we head inside here, the first thing you're going to see behind this set of doors is the stacking washer and dryer. Perfect for doing laundry while you're on vacation. And next up, before we head into the kitchen and main living area, right across from that washer and dryer is the second bedroom. This second bedroom is actually kind of small, but you are going to find 2 double beds in here. There's also a nightstand in between the 2 beds with an alarm clock, a lamp, as well as a USB charging station and some power outlets there as well. Very handy. Also in here you do have a small closet, which is definitely ideal, and a large television here atop a chest of drawers. So definitely a great second bedroom here. Having those 2 beds in there is definitely pretty nice. Now we're going to head into the second bathroom here that is attached to the second bedroom, and there is also an entrance as well that goes out into the main living area. But you do have a double vanity here, which is kind of rare. You don't see this very often in a second bathroom. A large mirror there that is very bright, very well lit up, lots of light here in the bathroom, as well as a large bathtub and shower there as well. Alright, now it's time to head back out and take a look at the kitchen. It's actually a pretty good sized kitchen here. You do have everything you need. You have your major appliances, microwave, oven, refrigerator, dishwasher there as well. So it is a great thing here. You have just about everything you need to maybe cook up an excellent meal while you're on your timeshare stay here at Sheraton Vistana Villages in Orlando. The cupboards do contain, of course, your full set of dinnerware, glassware. You also have drawers there with silverware and kitchen utensils. So this is a pretty nice kitchen, something we have noticed with the Sheraton Vistana Villages kitchens and Sheraton in general. The utensils just don't seem to be quite as good a quality as we've come to expect from many of our other timeshare stays, and especially when comparing them to Marriott properties. And as we move into the dining room there, you'll also notice a couple of stools there by the breakfast bar. So that's kind of a neat thing there. You can have a couple of people sitting at the breakfast bar there while somebody else is actually cooking in the kitchen. Now the dining room table here does seat up to 6 people, but I will point out it is kind of small. Not a lot of room at this dining room table if you were seating 6. Now across from the dining room table is a closet, and this is where you'll find the ironing board as well as a vacuum cleaner. Now we're going to move into the living room here, and this is where you might find this villa a little bit lacking just with the amount of furniture in here. You only have essentially a single sofa that does actually pull out into a sleeper queen size sofa bed as well. But there's also only one other chair in here, so just not a lot of seating in here in the living room. There is this nice little kind of side table, end table that does have a USB and plug-in outlet there, so you can sit some things up on top of there, set your electronics up there, and plug them into charge. So that's kind of handy. And of course, you also have the large flat screen television with Bose sound system. Of course, we did not find any type of Blu-ray or DVD player here. Next up, we're going to head on into the master bedroom. Large king-size bed with a couple of nightstands. Each nightstand also has a couple of those handy USB and electrical outlets up on top, so no having to dig in behind that nightstand to find a place to plug something in. And in this master bedroom, you also have a large chest of drawers, plenty of storage, and on top of that, you do have the large flat screen television. And in the master bedroom here is also where you'll find the closet that contains the in-room safe. Alright, next up, let's head into the connecting master bath. This master bath is actually a pretty good size, and something that's really neat, a nice feature here, is they do have double vanities, but they're actually kind of split. You have one on each side of the bathroom. So this is again another thing that's a little bit unique. We don't see this very often, but it is good if you're kind of two people trying to get ready. You're not always running into each other, trying to use the same set of vanities right side by side. There's also a large jetted tub in here. Again, not too sure how many people use these, but I'm sure somebody does. And there is also a large walk-in shower, so it is nice to have that fairly large walk-in shower as well as a large tub there as well. And you'll notice here that the toilet is in a separate room that kind of closes off from the rest of the bathroom. Okay, so now that we've taken a look at the inside of the villa, let's head on out because we have one more thing to see, and that is the patio. So out here you do have 4 patio chairs with a fairly nice sized table. Just a nice little kind of covered patio here. The patio does feature a ceiling fan as well as an electrical outlet out there as well. So that is something I like to try and point out there, is that electrical outlet in case you do want to work from the patio. This villa and most of the other villas actually in Amelia have this same nice view of a small lake here. So what do you think of the newly renovated 2-bedroom villa here at Sheraton Vistana Villages, Amelia phase in Orlando? Please let me know in the comments down below. And if you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And to see more videos about timeshare, check out that description box below. And for another video about Sheraton Vistana Villages, check this one out right up here. And YouTube, they think you'll like that one down there. Be sure to subscribe. You can do so by clicking on my picture right here. Hit that notification bell. And remember, let's make your next destination a timeshare.